Start off by removing the car from the box. Please do this with the help of another person to avoid injury. We're going to start off with the back wheel. The axle bar needs to go into the hole on the wheel, and the ridges around the axle bar need to align with the ridges around the back of the wheel. Place the wheel on the bar and rotate it to make sure the ridges fall into place. Push the wheel in while pressing the black button in the center of the wheel until the wheel is secure. Repeat the process for the rear wheel on the other side. Now grab another wheel and head to the front of the car. Place the wheel onto the axle bar and push it in while pressing the center button until the wheel is secure. Repeat this process for the other side. Next, we're going to be installing the side view mirrors. Start by removing the pre-installed screws. Place the mirrors onto the body, making sure it aligns with the holes. Reinstall the screws into the appropriate holes. Notice the screws are sized differently. Refrain from screwing the mirrors in too tight to prevent them from breaking. Repeat this on the other side. For the steering wheel, start off by removing the pre-installed screw and nut. Hold the nut down from the other side to prevent it from falling and getting lost. Now connect the wire from the steering wheel to the wire on the car. Do so by plugging in the connector. Push any excess wire into the car body or steering wheel. Insert the steering wheel onto the steering bar, but first make sure there is no excess wire from the wheel to the car so it doesn't get pinched in the process. Locate the long screw you removed from the steering wheel and reinsert it from the correct side. Note that the hole on one side of the wheel is designed to hold the nut. Fiddle the wheel left and right until the screw goes all the way through. Insert the nut on the other side to push the screw out a bit, and tighten. Next, locate the windshield and place it onto the car body. Make your way from one side to the other, making sure all of the tabs secure in place. Remove the two pre-installed screws on the seat platform. Before installing your seat, make sure the car is off and connect the battery terminal to the red wire. Locate your seat and make sure the two tabs on the rear of the seat go into the two slots on the car body. Then push the seat in from the bottom so it sits flush with the car. Reinstall the two provided screws. Now power the car on and you should be good to go. Watch our other video for help programming the remote control.